Yarana o Moino Teye Eahato Uhuru. Meitei Oe. Hello, it's Moino from Polylingual Rio Teti. How are you? Good today? Today you will learn how to tell the time in Tahitian. But before we dive into our lesson of the day, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the like bell below to get notifications as I will be posting a video every week. Are you ready? Wainene oe? Let's do this. Let's start with some Tahitian vocabulary, the days of the week. Here they are. Monire, Monday. Mahanapiti, Tuesday. Mahanatoru, Wednesday. Mahanamaha, Thursday. Mahanape, Friday. Mahanamaa, Saturday. Mahanatapati, Sunday. The months of the year are Tenuare, January. February, February. Mati, March. Eperera, April. May, May. Tiunu, June. Tiure, July. Atete, August. Tetepa, September. Atopa, October. Novema, November. Titema, December. And now, if you want to ask, what is the day today? You can say, Eahateye Mahana. And you can simply answer, Mahanapiti, Tuesday. Or Mahanamaha, Thursday. Or if you want to make a complete sentence, you can say, Mahanapiti teye mahana. It is Tuesday today. If you want to learn how to tell the entire date, including the month and the year, we have a special cool lesson at Polylingual Rio Teti. Don't forget to check out our website, polylingual.com, and enroll into our programs. The links are in the section down below. Now it's my turn to ask you, what is the day today? Comment down below and share with me your answer. What is the day today? That's it for today. I hope you guys learned so much. If you want to learn more about the Rio Teti, the Tahitian language, check out our website, polylingual.com, where you can learn the Rio Teti at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. I'll see you guys next week. Tera yahua hirima, maruru met ei te faru rame, yorana ya met ei oto ite yemhana. Parhei, nana.